How to balance exposure across your entire shoot using AI Aftershoot. So first you want to make sure you're inside the album and you have already culled, basically like, culling. I have made a video on how you guys can cull your image. So after you cull your image, just go and edit. Inside edit, it's going to show you this edit preference over here. So I chose LRC. You can choose whichever option you like. After you choose the option, click on customize profile. Once you choose customize profile, it's going to open this thing up. Once this thing opens up, you can edit all your exposure, all your background, all from over here. Make sure for exposure you play around with this setting, the first option. In my case, it's taking a bit of time because of my slow Wi-Fi, and since I also don't have the premium version of Aftershoot, this setting will not open for me. But if you have the premium version, this setting will open up. Once this setting opens up, just play around with the slider under exposure and white. Okay, just play around with exposure, white, and highlight. Once you play around with it and get your result which you want, just click on save and continue, and the image will be done. Now you can move on to another image and do the same thing by going to customize profile. That's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.